Question 541. What is the difference between Azure DevOps and Azure DevOps Server? Azure DevOps is a cloud-based service, while Azure DevOps Server is an on-premises version. The former offers scalability, automatic updates, and integration with Azure services, whereas the latter provides more control over infrastructure and security. Question 542. Can you explain the importance of infrastructure as code in Azure DevOps? Infrastructure as code in Azure DevOps allows for the automated provisioning and management of resources, ensuring consistency, repeatability, and scalability. By defining infrastructure in code, teams can version control, test, and deploy infrastructure changes efficiently. Question 543. How would you handle a situation where a team member is resistant to adopting new Azure DevOps tools? I would first understand the reasons behind their resistance, address any concerns or misconceptions, provide training and support, demonstrate the benefits of the new tools, and involve them in the decision-making process to ensure a smooth transition. Question 544. What experience do you have with Azure Resource Manager templates? I have experience using Azure Resource Manager templates to define and deploy Azure resources in a declarative manner. These templates allow for infrastructure as code practices, enabling consistent and automated resource provisioning. Question 545. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployments in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployments in Azure DevOps involve running two identical production environments, blue and green, and switching traffic between them to minimize downtime and risk during deployments. This approach allows for seamless updates and easy rollback if needed. Question 546. What is your experience with integrating third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps? I have integrated various third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps using custom extensions, webhooks, APIs, and marketplace integrations. This includes integrating with monitoring tools, testing frameworks, deployment platforms, and collaboration software. Question 547. How would you design a scalable and resilient architecture for a cloud-native application in Azure DevOps? When designing a scalable and resilient architecture for a cloud-native application in Azure DevOps, I consider microservices, serverless computing, distributed databases, auto-scaling, load balancing, fault tolerance, monitoring, and disaster recovery strategies. Question 548. How do you approach performance testing in Azure DevOps pipelines? In Azure DevOps pipelines, I include performance testing tasks using tools like Apache JMeter, Gatling, or Azure Application Insights to simulate load, measure response times, analyze resource utilization, and identify performance bottlenecks for optimization. Question 549. How would you handle a situation where a critical production issue arises during a deployment in Azure DevOps? In the event of a critical production issue during a deployment in Azure DevOps, I would immediately stop the deployment, roll back to the previous version, investigate the root cause, communicate with stakeholders, implement a fix, and resume deployment after thorough testing. Question 550. Can you describe your experience with Azure DevOps boards for project management? I have used Azure DevOps boards for agile project management, including creating user stories, tasks, bugs, epics, sprints, and backlogs. I utilize features such as Kanban boards, sprint planning, burn-down charts, and custom work item types for effective collaboration. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.